guys, just a quick little furnace and AC check here in the Sun River Resort community. Looks like they got a Carrier 2.5 ton AC, and we've got a Carrier furnace here. It is a 70,000 BTU, probably a 3-ton blower in there. Looks like they did a proper drip leg there. Heat was just running. We're going to go ahead and go over to our thermostat. We're going to kick her onto heat, and I'm going to check out some of the components on the interior. I don't like these furnaces because you got to pull this panel off, and then you got to pull that inner panel off. It's kind of a pain in the ass. But I'll grab some tools and we'll check out the furnace first. Good old Ecobee thermostat. Let's bump the temp up so she'll stay on so we can work on it. 73. Let's go check this puppy out. And we'll start off with our inducer amps. It's just a single stage inducer, 0.7, and try to zoom in there. I'll have to see what the rating is on that inducer motor. Probably like 0.9, 1.0 probably. Let's take a look. Alright, probably won't be able to see that until I look at the video. Hopefully that's under, over 0.7. Stay in focus, come on. Alright, looks like it was 0.75. Ooh. No, we're good. My amp meter's kind of screwy sometimes. 0.7, 0.71, we're good. Not going to worry about it. Let's move on to, let's get our temp rise here. Alright, what do we got here? 114 and rising. Let's go see what our return temp is. I got about 67 degrees on our return air. So 33 plus, what was that, 114 I had, so 47. These guys are kind of dirty too. I'm gonna go ahead and get my shop vac with my brush attachment. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this grill. There's one downstairs too I can clean. So yeah, 66 and 114, about 48. Let's go see what the rating plate says. Alright, multi-positional furnace, so the sticker's going to be upside down. But we want to be between 30 and 60. Perfect. It says 30 and 60 there. Or 47. Perfect. Get these other numbers here so I can note them. Let's check our fan amp draw. Alright, so our total system amps is 4.2. It's rated at max at 6.6, so we're good there. Let's check our inducer. Sorry, let's check our fan. Right there. Should be running on blue right now. Sorry, red. Hold on a second. Alright, never mind guys, because our wires go from the blower straight into the board with everything hidden back behind here. I'm not messing with that, so we're not checking fan amps on this one. Flame looks good. I'm not even going to hook up my manometer. You guys can call me a hack or whatever, but this thing's in good shape. It's been running good. It's only 3 years old, a little over 3 years old. At least it was manufactured in May of 2022. So what we're going to do, I'm not doing the AC today. I told her I'm going to come back in the spring and mess with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to clean that return grill. I'm going to clean the return grill down here. And that'll be a wrap on this guy. Check out this filter, guys. You could hear that fan motor change when I pulled this out. Customer told me just to pull this out for him and leave it out. They're going to put a fresh one in tomorrow. I'll bump the temp down so he doesn't run too much without the filter, but one day it's not going to kill it. Whew. Yeah, these things don't last as long as what the manufacturer tells you they do. Good. All right. Put that thermostat back where it was. I think it was at 68, if I remember. There we go. Yeah, this brings back memories when I go into these homes. Being a kid, we always stayed at these little vacation rentals. Foosball table out in the garage, ping pong tables, dartboards, etc. Let's let this guy kick off. Let's go see what the AC looks like, just so I can see what I am going to be encountering this spring. Yeah, guys, check this out, man. Brings back memories. Hot tub. We don't have a hot tub at our house yet, unfortunately. I really want to get one. Got the barbecue set up. I think the AC's on the other side. Haven't found it yet. Alright, there she sits. So, the reason why I'm not doing it today, because if I give this thing a cleaning today and give it a thorough clean the coil, it's just going to have pine needles and crap all over it before this summer. It's a straight AC. So I'll just come out in, late March, early April or something, and we'll do a thorough cleaning on this guy. He ain't going to be running anymore this year, that's for sure. Let's see if I can get that rating plate here so I can see what I got. So I'm sure it's a 2.5 ton. That's what the coil is. All right, let's get on out of here.